Hello students, today we will discuss the HTML meta tag. Okay, what is meant by meta tag? What are the uses of meta tag? So first of all, meta tag is defined for metadata. Okay, meta tag used for what? To defining the metadata. Next concept is here. What is meant by metadata? Metadata means what? The data about data. Okay. So first point is what? Meta tag defines metadata about HTML document. Okay, meta tag is used for defining the metadata about HTML document. So next concept is what is meant by metadata. Okay, metadata. So metadata is what? Metadata is data about data. Okay, that means data about data. Data is also called as what? Information. Okay, data is also called as information. That means metadata defines the information about information or data about data. So when we defines the data about data, or when we design or when we form the HTML document, then metadata is what? Meta tag is used to defining the metadata about that document. Okay. The next concept is here. Meta tags always what? Meta tags always go inside the head element. Okay. Meta tag always define in which section? That is head section. Listen, your HTML document is divided into two parts. First part is head section or head part, and then next part is a body part. In head section, what you write in head section, then this information is not shown on your web page. But when you write the in body section, then in that body section you will show the information on your web page. Okay. So meta tag always go inside what? Meta tag always write in head section. Okay, head section. Okay, that means this meta tag does not show any information on your web page. Just it used for defines the metadata of your HTML document. Okay, so why it is used? Meta tag is used for meta tag is used to specify document description. That means character set, then page description, then there are different words, keywords, then author of the document, okay, all these things, etc. So to meta tag is used to specifying the character set, page description, there are different keywords, author of the document, and etc. Okay, so this is the use of your meta tag. The next point is what? Meta tag will not be displayed on the page, but okay, meta tag meta tag elements are not displayed on web pages. Okay, meta tag elements is not displayed on the web pages. Okay, so why then metadata, then what is the purpose to design this meta tag? Okay, metadata is for what? Metadata is for data of the HTML document. Okay, so metadata is used for what? Used by browsers or search engines and other web services. Okay, metadata is used by browsers. Okay, how use this metadata by browsers? That is, this shows the how to display the contents or reload the page. Okay, how to display the contents, list of contents, how to display and reload the page. Okay, so browser means what? How to display contents. Okay, next, metadata is also used by search engines. Okay, by search engines. Okay, like keywords and other web services. Okay, and other web services. Okay, so in this these are the some points which is very important in meta tag. First is what? Meta tag defines the metadata about HTML document. Okay, metadata means what? Data about data or information about information. Meta tag always write in which section? That is head section. Okay, then meta tag is used to specify character set, page description, keywords, author of the document and etc. Okay, then meta tag element are not displayed on the web pages because it is right in what? In head section. Okay, not in body section. Then meta tag is used by browsers. How to use by browser? That is how to display the content. Okay, how to display the content. Then by the search engines like keywords and other web services. Okay, then which browser supports this tag? Okay, next point is what? Browser support. Which browser supports by this tag? To this tag, first is what? Chrome. Next, Internet Explorer. Next, Firefox. Then Safari. Okay, next, fifth one is Opera. Okay, so meta tag supports for these browsers, that is Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari and Opera. Okay, so this is the basic idea related to the meta tag. Okay, in next video we will discuss the actual attributes. What are the attributes of the meta tag? After that, one example we will discuss here. discuss in the next video. So we will stop here. Thank you. This is only basic information related to the meta tag.